Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Weather's cleared up nicely today across most of Queensland and the sun feels decidedly hot for a mid-autumn day. Mainly sunny again tomorrow, but Thursday onwards we'll see a gradual return to more unsettled conditions, eventually leading to showers for the weekend. The past few days have been consistently warmer than average for central Queensland, owing to high ocean temperatures and lack of wind. In Rockhampton today, the temp range was 20 to 33 degrees. Moving to the satellite loop now, you can see it's been a lot quieter today. The only cloud really was on the Atherton tablelands, where we saw a few little showers, borderline storms popping up, just isolated ones, not really that much on the tropical coast. And around the border ranges we saw a little bit of isolated activity as well, but the bulk of Queensland has been dry, and especially through the Darling Downs where that rain fell yesterday, it's all pretty much dried up as well. The reason is that the upper level trough has now moved offshore and weakened. Now on today's chart you can see that the inland trough is still intact, but because the upper trough that assisted it is now offshore, it's much more stable in the higher levels, and that's suppressed the uplift that you needed to get those storms near the trough. We've got a new cyclone also called Philly. It's out in Fijian waters east of the dateline, so no great concern to us. Tomorrow's chart, the cyclone starts to drift a bit further south, and it will have an indirect effect on us by increasing the winds and swell over southern waters. On the outlook chart, cyclone goes even further south. Now we actually get quite strong winds along coastal waters with a rising swell. Not much change in the tropics. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Capricornia waters, a strong wind warning's been issued. East to southeast winds 15 to 20 knots at first, but increasing to 20 to 30 knots by late afternoon. And staying strong force right through Thursday and Friday. Tomorrow's high tide's due sometime around the middle of the day, and while it's a big tide, it's not that big anymore with Saturday's half moon fast approaching. Expect a low tide around dawn and dusk. The Capricornia district forecast, a fine and mostly sunny day. Gladstone 31 degrees. Rocky 21 to 32, Billawheeler 33 and Yeppoon 29. Central Highlands and Caulfields, just a 20% chance of a shower on the Carnarvon Ranges. Fine elsewhere, Emerald and Claremont 34 degrees and Moranbah a top of 35. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, not much rain for the week ahead, but the odds of a shower do start to improve from about Friday onwards, so plan accordingly. Temperatures holding fairly steady over the period, still above average. And that's all for this evening, folks. It's been a pleasure to have your company as always, and thank you for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with more. Hope you can join me then. Now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for tonight. Thanks for your company.
If you missed anything, of course, catch up on our 7 Plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.